This is the reason why I'm not sleeping with my husband. He said he don't snore, so I'm gonna show everybody his sound. Do you hear him?